Hi guys, this is Sam Baker and welcome to my channel. And today we'll be talking about jewelries, how to clean them and what to use. And for me, my tip is only to use two things, which is your old toothbrush that you don't no longer use, and a toothpaste. That's all I need, and a water and a clean cloth. Yes, you heard it right. That's only toothpaste. Any toothpaste will do, and an old toothbrush. And I'll show you how I clean my jewelry on a simple step, and it doesn't cost you a lot of money. And as long as you have like an old toothbrush that you don't use anymore, and any toothpaste will do, that will do the trick. Yeah, so I'll put you here just now and I'll show you what we need and how I do them. Okay, so gather all your jewelries and we'll do it step by step together. I'll put you here so you can see what I'm doing, right? So what we have here is, I think that's better. So all we have here is the jewelries, right? It's either silver or gold. If you have, these are silver, this is white gold. And as well, if you have like yellow gold like this one, you can clean them as well with this toothpaste. And I'm using a toothpaste, right? Like what I said, any toothpaste will do, and an old toothbrush that you no longer use, so you can use this too. And you need as well a clean towel and a bowl of water. That's what we need. So yeah, so now I'm gonna use first, this is a silver, right? This is a silver ring. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get, and a toothpaste will do, guys, but me, because this is our toothpaste, but any toothpaste will do. And then you get your clean toothbrush there. You put a tiny, like a pea size in there on your toothbrush. And then you get, this is a silver ring, by the way. And you're going to put it into the top of that ring. You see that? And into the sides, right? And you can brush them. Like that. You brush it. Especially any of you that has like jewelry like this that has a stone, it's really nice. You can see the difference after we use the toothpaste, right? So yeah, you brush it like that. Just make sure you brush them. It doesn't really damage your jewelry, because I've been doing this for years, and yeah, they're really cheaper trick than to get those you know, those jewelry cleaner that you get in the shop. This is the most cheapest and most effective, I should say, tips that I can give you. So yeah, so after you clean your toothbrush, I mean your ring, right? You brush it properly like that, and I'll show you what it looks like after. And then you're gonna put it into the water, right? And then brush it again. You have to brush it again like that. You see that? Brush it again. So it's gonna create like a bubbles like that. You see that? So you just brush it, brush it. It's like brushing your teeth, but this is brushing your jewelry. So yeah, it doesn't damage your jewelries. As long as it's like silver, white gold, or yellow gold, it will be all right, right? So there you go. So that's one ring. And then we're going to try as well this one. This is a white gold. So we're going to do the same as well. Right? We're going to brush it. See that? You're going to see the stone later on. You'll see the difference into the jewelry. It'll be cleaner and it'll be more brighter, especially if you've got loads of jewelries like myself. This is the best, cheapest way you can clean your jewelry. So you don't need to bring it to the cleaner, or you don't need to get those expensive jewelry cleaner. This is the best. There you go. So you put it in the water. And now we're going to try it. You see that one there? This is a yellow gold necklace. And we're going to try this one as well. You see that one there? You'll see after. So it's the same. Just brush it like that. See that? Can you see what I'm doing? There you go. You just brush it. Like what I said, it doesn't destroy your jewelry with this one. Because you know why it cleans like this? Because you know how our toothpaste have baking soda. That's why it cleans it. So yeah, with chains, we just go like that. And I show you what it looks like after we clean it with toothpaste. So make sure the toothbrush that you use is the one that you no longer use. And if you think they need more toothpaste, you can add a bit more. Right? Put a bit more like that. Like small. And then, yeah, any toothpaste will do. Any toothpaste will do. And then, see, you can see it now. It's more brighter than what it was earlier on, because you see our jewelries, it gets dust, you know, it gets, sometimes if you don't clean them, they tarnish a bit, you know. It's not as bright as what it was. As long as it's a real gold, white gold, yellow gold, or silver, and you'll see the difference. But I don't recommend this with those fashion jewelries, right? Because it's going to ruin it. Because fashion jewelries are not real. So there you go. And then you put it as well in the water. So now it's all in the water. And then, see, I'll show you what it looks like now. Now it's here in the water. I'll show you. See that one there? That's the first ring. You see that? And then you clean it. You wipe it into your clean towel. Right? Clean your jewelry in the clean towel. Some people might think, oh, it smells like toothpaste. No, that's why you have to wash it off. It does smell like toothpaste. See that? That's our silver one. Can you see that there? See, it's more brighter now and it's clean. See that? That's the silver. And this one as well. So you can see it. Yeah, you need a clean cloth to wipe it off. And that's the gold one there. See? It's more sparkly and it's more cleaner. See that? So that's our two rings there. You see it? Really nice and sparkly. They're like brand new. And then I have here the gold necklace, the yellow gold. And this one as well, you dry it off as well. Same. Just dry it off. Make sure that all the toothpaste are off your jewelry. And then you just make sure that you dry them properly. Like this. You see? Look at that. It's like a brand new jewelry now. That's what happens. Because you see the toothpaste, it has baking soda. And if you're same like me, like wants everything in a budget, so this is a good tip for you, especially if you've got lots of jewelries like myself. This is what I do. I just use a toothpaste and an old toothbrush. So there you go. That's our yellow gold. Look how clean. It's like brand new now. Can you see that? It's more bright. It's more brighter. More shiny. It's like a brand new necklace. That's really good. Yeah, so all I should say is all your jewelry is like silver, white gold, yellow gold. You can use this trick. Just clean it with toothpaste and an old toothbrush. Soak it in the water. Any cold water or hot water will do. And then you just brush it off like this. And look, now it's like a brand new necklace. Can you see that? See, it's nice and shiny now. There you go. And as well, there you go, it's really nice. And that one as well, look, it's really shiny. Nice, that one. And the other one as well, here. See that one? It's really nice. There you go. So yeah, those is our trick. Looks shiny and brand new jewelries now. So when you put it on, look, really nice and shiny. There you go. And that one as well, if you put that on, look how bright and shiny it is. And this one as well, look at my necklace, is a yellow gold, and this one is like a brand new now. See that? That's really nice and shiny. There you go. As long as it's silver, white gold, or yellow gold, I wouldn't advise it to any like fashion jewelries because it will not work. It's just gonna ruin your jewelries. But if you have, like myself, yellow gold, white gold, and silver, you don't need to buy the expensive cleaner. See, it does work. All you need is an old toothbrush, any toothpaste will do, and a bowl of water, hot or cold, and a clean towel. And yeah, so that's all you need to have a shiny, beautiful jewelry like this. So bring on all your jewelries and clean them, and you'll see what it makes a difference just with cleaning it with a toothpaste and an old toothbrush that you no longer use. There you go. See, my jewelry is really nice. Yes, I hope you like this video, and for more tips on baking, traveling, and any other stuff, keep an eye on my channel, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you again for my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.